Good morning, you guys. I'm headed out to go to school. I forgot that we're going camping today, and I didn't pack anything for Gianni or me, and I haven't done any laundry. So I'm just trying to get out of the house on time today, which I don't know how we did it, but we did it. Sure is going to be one of those days, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna go camping. Ready? Let's go. Bye-bye. It's 6:53 right now, if you guys were wondering. Come on. I hope we have everything. Okay guys, they sell the quiche mass at my local Sprouts. Go. By the way, Johnny got his haircut yesterday. You guys saw it, and I love it. At first, I was worried, but now I love it. 1, 2, and 3. Get his little butt in there. All in a day's work. Before we need to go camping, I need to go take care of my health. I've been needing to get my blood drawn, and I just haven't gone. So today is my day. Oh my gosh, and my key battery is about to die, and so it says that the key's never in the car. I'm just gonna start. Oh, okay, now it's being serious. I have to like press this up against there now. Oh, I just need to change it, but I don't know why I don't. Okay. Let's charge up the Apple Watch. So I keep my Apple Watch charger in the car. Okay, what's on our schedule today? Take Gianni to his grandma's. Go to school. Get my blood drawn. Pack our bags. Go to Alicia's. Get some food in our bellies as well. It's probably gonna be a fast food day, but hey. Ain't nothing wrong with a little Chick-fil-A. I'm home right now. It's 9:50 or something. I'm trying to print out all my, oh my gosh. I'm trying to print out all of my homework that I need to study because it's finals week period. Okay, do you guys see me well? It's finals week, so I need to print out all this stuff because I'm going camping, and so I just need to like get my life together kind of thing. So I'm printing out all this stuff that needs to be printed. So that means I'm printing out this like study sheet for bio, and I'm also printing out my study guide and my exam for statistics. And then I'm also printing out all of the slides because I don't know if I'll have good enough service to use computer. So wish me luck, and then I'm gonna print all this, you guys, and then we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna pack some clothes. I feel like this is what always happens. I don't travel for a long time, and then I have trips back to back to back. Like we're going camping right now. I would consider this a trip. And then we're gonna come back on Saturday. Then Thursday, we're leaving to New York, Washington, D.C., all of that. And then we'll have a break, thank God. And then we're going to Mexico. I'm so excited to go to Cancun. Okay, let me be prepared. Hey, your tears for another day. Okay. I love how our teacher, he does like a Jeopardy, like our professor, he does like a Jeopardy study guide. It's so cool. You little stinker. Is there no staples in here? Why are they upside down? What in the world? Who did this? I don't know. It's gross to me. Maybe I'm being bougie, but I don't know, something about the trash can inside. I hate it. And it always gets too full, and then we're all lazy. So anyways, I'm off. I packed all of our stuff. I have an order to drop off for Ash Willow, and then me and Gianni's bag is down there. If we forgot anything, thank gosh that Julian is coming a day later. So if we forget anything, he can bring it. Bestie.
Hey.
Oh, hi Alicia. I'm on my way right now.
And
YouTube, our first camping trip for the year. And Gianni's ready to go.
He's ready. Okay. Look at Alicia Moises' new addition to their tribe.
It's an upgrade.
It's their upgrade, you guys. Are you excited, Gianni? Let's go put our stuff in here. I think this one is a 5th wheel, right, Alicia?
Yes.
This is a 5th wheel, which means it has 5 sets of wheels, right? 5 sets of wheels instead of 4?
No.
Oh, what does it mean then? It just means that it's big.
To do with the hitch.
Oh yeah, probably. Be careful.
Oh, maybe
Gianni.
4, 5.
yeah,
Oh yeah.
So 1, 2.
I will. I just need a.
I don't know. Well, you guys, it's beautiful. What? Oh, okay. Oh. Let's see what he wants. Hi! I'm vlogging!
Oh, I probably did.
Hey guys, we're on the road. We just got Taco Bell. And, well, I've been frauded apparently. I just looked at my card for the first time in a few days because usually bills just come out of there. And I see Panera Bread, $9.62. I look up where it came from. Not where I live.
Make a mess, please.
We will.
It came from where?
Arvada, Colorado. So.
It's a big old mess.
Behind
Get
us,
this
if you
facing
could
up.
even see.
You know that sound? That's what I'm gonna do with you guys.
There's Coco,
Is
there's
this one a normal one?
Hard taco.
Good to see.
one sleeping.
Now the girls are just
Padre,
eating.
estamos las gracias, Padre.
And mi bebé, he's sleeping and we're gonna pray.
Puede comer la gente que no tiene en este momento, Padre, porque Dios ustedes bendecen. Este alimento pasa por nuestros cuerpos para salvarnos.
Amen. That's your chulupa. Oh, that's yours.
Just put it in the pantry. So I'm not gonna
I'm trying to look for Ellie's food.
bite my head off.
Here to the mountains, to our place we're gonna be staying at. It's really nice. They have like a little park here and stuff. Gianni just is eating all the quesadilla he can back here, huh? Nice. We're just watching them do asphalt. It's reminding me of my bae. I think I miss him. Oh yes. Yay! First time that we're seeing what the camper looks like. I'm so excited.
Wow.
Oh wow, it's big.
Do you know when you cleaned up this and put it up there? You know the bucket trophy?
Mm-hmm.
Did you put it in the bag? Because you can't find it.
Oh, I took it.
Oh.
Not even gonna lie. Heck, you guys, it's so cool, Mo. So much bigger than the last one.
Huh? Oh
it's giving it hot. Oh, dang.
Mom,
Look at it, you
can I
guys.
get a water bottle to clean my feet? Mine just got inside my...
How cool.
Do you need these?
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, you guys. It is 8 in the morning and we all just woke up. Alicia's gonna cook some breakfast.
And Ellie's helping.
And I guess I'm gonna help. I haven't seen a clear blue sky since the last time I went camping. And the air is so fresh here. It smells so clean. You just feel so good out here. Gianni's so happy already. He's never woken up this happy before. I'm so excited for him to explore today. I'm just here sitting while he's content. I'm gonna try to start like a homework problem, my exam, because it's a take-home exam. Coco's being annoying already.
Coco's trying to be in there.
She wants to be famous, you guys. But I'm going to vlog today and show you guys what we do because I'm so excited. My camera might die, but oh. What are you doing?
Gianni, say hi.
Gianni, say hi.
Say good morning.
Say good morning, Nanny.
Say good morning.
Say no.
No, he's busy doing his
Oh,
own thing.
oh, oh. Run. Johnny, where's your daddy? Where's daddy? Is he working? He doesn't even care.
He's doing something.
Ay, granuda.
Look at you. You don't look any better than me.
You guys like their new camper? Look where we're at. It's so pretty. We're in Black Hawk, Colorado. Look how... Oh, yes, Coco. Oh, my gosh. She scares me. Gia, ooh, this is really squishy.
Come, Coco.
Jump, Coco.
I'm so excited. Your life is so hard.
Yeah.
Look at the black hawk. Look. Look.
It's not even sunny where
The
we're
bird.
gonna walk, I don't think.
That bird.
Trail.
There's a bunch of them.
Wow.
Look.
Cheese! No, okay.
No, like at the tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
you know what would be nice?
Kind of see my eyes. I don't know.
There's a wild wheelbarrow.
Not Julian, my sis.
No, what do you call those pigs? The wild ones.
Hogs.
Hugs.
Oh,
Or warthogs? Warthogs?
oh, that's what I want.
Let me see your battle scars. Let me see them. Oh. Okay, guys, we just finished our 14-mile hike. Sorry, you guys, we're just on a dirt road right now.
You stay in the water?
Oh,
Should take his socks off now.
yeah, it's okay. They're ruined now.
Oh.